In this video, we are going to see that if we want to skip and continue without signing into a Microsoft account on a new Windows setup, here's what you can do. So first of all, if you land on this screen and you just want to continue without signing in or creating a new account, what you can do is just hold the Shift key on your keyboard and press F10. Or otherwise, if that doesn't work, just hold the Shift key, Fn key, and then press F10. If that doesn't work as well, and you are, let's say, in the virtual machine, let's click on Control Alt Delete from the top and click on the Task Manager. And from here, we just write the task that we want to open, that is CMD, or run a new task like CMD here, and that can open the CMD for you, that command prompt. And once that is open, what we will do is, let me just zoom it a little bit. You'll just write ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Now right click here and disable all the Ethernet connections. So we will turn this off for now. I'll again show you how we can enable that once our work is done. And now we will write one more command, that is OBE write bypass NRO and hit enter. And it says access is denied, but it has restarted this immediately. And you can now see that we are able to log in. We just entered the password and we logged in successfully. Even if you are doing this for a new version of Windows, it will just enable you and you can continue with the rest of setup as normal and you shouldn't have any problem. So I hope this video helps, and if it did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.